Hi there, I'm Denise Dunleavy, an animal communicator and intuitive, and I'm thrilled to tell you about my limiting beliefs workshop. And by the way, this is Declan, my little helper. Are you tired of feeling stuck? Do you have big dreams and ambitious goals, but find yourself held back by self-doubt, fear, or feeling unworthy? If so, it's not your fault. Many of us have subconscious limiting beliefs that prevent us from achieving the success we desire. They can be sneaky little saboteurs because most of the time we don't even realize they exist. I've designed a workshop called Limitless Living, Clearing Blocks to Success, where I'll be your guide, helping you identify those pesky thoughts and beliefs that may be preventing you from reaching your goals. Together, we'll dive deep into 4 powerful exercises designed to clear away those limitations and make room for new possibilities. I want to share my own experience because I always wanted to get out of the corporate world. I was miserable at every job I had. I hated sitting in a cube all day, and I felt like I was constantly being watched. It felt like I belonged to the company. So I really wanted to quit my job and do animal communication full time, but I was so worried about money. I felt like I had to save up as much money as I could because I just didn't know how many clients I would have. But then I kept delaying it. First, I said I would leave my job at the end of the year. And then it became, I'll just do two more months. And then that turned into another 2 months. I decided I had to really look at this because there was no set amount of money in my savings account that was going to make me feel ready. There was certainly an underlying feeling of not being worthy of having my own business. And when I dug into that, I realized I was afraid I didn't have something valuable to offer. Once I realized that I was getting in my own way, I had to figure out how to get past that. I spent months doing research, going to healers and intuitives, and asking other business owners how they got started. So I have done all the work for you. In this workshop, I will teach you very succinctly how to identify your own beliefs that have become roadblocks by working backwards from the goals you want to achieve, and 4 easy and practical methods for healing and clearing these blocks. And these are the exact things that worked for me. You'll also get to see this guy in the video. He's volunteered to be a teacher for me and with me. And as a spirit animal communicator, my cats are the heart of everything I do. You can obviously see he's very attached to me as well. But my cats remind me of the importance of love, support, and the magic of the universe. So I bring that into all of the work that I do. As a former accountant, I'm very organized and pragmatic, which is how I teach. But as an intuitive, I create a safe and supportive space for you to explore. With down to earth guidance and a touch of magic, you'll learn to move past some of the barriers that could be getting in the way of your dreams. If you're ready to clear the blocks to your success and live a limitless life, join me for this on-demand workshop. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. You can enroll now at the link below. I can't wait to see you there.